Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mary, and today I wanted to give a shout out for a class that I just finished. The class, it's an online class, and it's called Ignite Challenge. And it's basically a class where you learn how to talk on video and learn how to get more comfortable with it and learn some of the technical things about it. The person who runs it is called Neve Arthur, and she has many years of experience helping people learn how to feel more comfortable on video and how to do it better, either for their business or just for fun or for crafts or whatever it is you might want to use it for. The class is about 3 weeks long, and it's every weekday, so you get the weekends off to rest, and each weekday there's a lesson. And the lesson first will provide a tip, how to do something like how to find the lens on the camera so you're looking at the lens and not looking straight at yourself while you're talking, or how to do lighting or sound, or how to start or end your video, maybe a little bit of light editing. So there's a lot of really good tips. And then each day there is like a question or a prompt that we respond to and make our own videos. And each of those is about 1 minute to 2 minutes long, so it's not too bad. And there's a group on Facebook that you belong to where you would post your video to that Facebook group, and then people will give comments. Oh, they're always nice comments. Good job, you did it, and just really encouraging things. If you want more feedback, more serious feedback, people will do that, but you have to ask for it. It was amazing how people benefited from the class. You can look at their first video and then their last video and just see the improvement. I know for myself, in the first video that I did, I was constantly looking down at my notes, like, what am I going to say next? What do I want to say? And now I much less need my notes. I do prepare beforehand and think about what I want to say a little bit, but it's mostly just a little outline and then one take. One take is it, and just do it. It's connection, not perfection. And I also noticed that when I go to Toastmasters and do a speech, I have been relying much less on my notes as well. So it's been really beneficial for me. So it's a really good class. I really recommend it. It's worth the time, definitely worth the time and worth the expense. It's only $20. So if you're interested to check it out, I'll put the link down below so you can find them. And I just think it's really a worthwhile creativity tool to help you if you know you want to do video, or just to help you if you don't know for sure what you want to do, or just are looking for something different, or are open to maybe trying something and going down a path you had never even thought of going down. So it's worth it. It'll be fun. So thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.